How to fix no sound on your iPhone video camera. Maybe while you try using your iPhone video camera, it was not recording your sound, your voice or sound around you. Then you need to fix this. Fixing these guys is very simple. Let's just try and do that together. First, go to your phone settings, then go to General, tap on General, go to Software Update, tap on it. Then if there is any update here, try as much as you can guys to update your iOS device to the latest version. This might fix the bug preventing your camera from recording your sound. And if you don't that, it does not fix this issue, then try. Let's try and restart our phone, or by first restart our phone, tap on volume up, volume down, then power button until it brings out the power button. Keep holding until it goes off. If you miss it, try it again. Volume up, volume down, power button until it goes off, and keep holding until it brings out the Apple logo again. Now that it's bring out the Apple logo, you have to release your finger from the buttons and allow this phone to properly boot. This might fix the issue of camera sound not working while you use your iPhone. Now that you've done that and this issue does not fix this problem, the next thing you have to do guys is to go to the settings option, tap on it, then tap on general, scroll down to the base of general, tap on this button, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on reset button. Or tap on reset button, you have different options here, so tap on reset all settings. Tapping on reset all settings, you have to provide your password. That is, if you password or face screen, if you have a low screen time or screen time code, you have to provide that as well. Now try to provide that, then tap on reset all settings. This should fix that problem. And if that does not fix the problem, then guys, try. You have to power off your device. Tap on settings. Once tap on setting, under general, tap on general again. Scroll down to the page. You see this button that says shut down. Tap on it and swipe down like this to shut down your device. This should fix this issue. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.